Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Xbox app not working or opening on Windows 10 and 11 so you can use it without any problems. First, restart your PC because temporary system glitches can prevent the app from launching. Next, open Settings, go to Apps, find Xbox app, click Advanced Options, then select Repair, and if needed, reset the app to fix any corrupted data. After that, make sure your Windows is fully updated, since missing updates can break app functionality. You should also open Microsoft Store and update all apps, including Xbox services. Another important step is to restart Xbox-related services from the Services menu to refresh them. If the issue continues, reinstall the Xbox app completely using PowerShell for a clean setup. Also make sure your internet connection is stable. Finally, restart your PC again and open the Xbox app, and it should start working normally. Subscribe the channel for more videos.